That should get you all covered. Those, if you actually did it and you have a question, I will gladly answer it for you. Okay, let's see. Okay, how about I'm just going to do one of them and not both of them, okay? So this is number 3. If you missed number 3, you definitely need to be paying attention. We have 7a minus 3 plus 8a minus 5 minus 3a plus 6 minus 9a minus 1. All right, who knows what to do first with this problem? Anybody know what to do first? Let's see, Jacob. Okay, which part are we going to simplify first? Okay, we're going to take this part and only work on this part. Now, for those of you who know I have a plus, does a plus change anything in this part at all? No, only minuses. So I have 7a minus 3. I can drop my parentheses, plus 8a minus 5. And when I combine like terms, 7a plus 8a, what does that give me? 15a. And then negative 3 minus 5, what does that give me? Use your calculator. Negative 3 minus 5. Negative 8. All right, and now I'm going to put this back in parentheses because I still have this minus that I'm going to bring down. I'm not using it yet. And then I'm going to work simply this part. But this part I just can't bring down exactly what I see. Why not? Because there's a minus or negative 1 that I have to distribute through right here. So what I'm going to do, there's a positive 1 that doesn't change anything here. So I have 3a plus 6. And then negative 1 times 9a is negative 1 times negative 1 is plus 1. Combine my like terms. Please use your calculator and do 3 minus 9. Negative 6a. And then 6 plus 1, what does that give you? 7. Put parentheses around it. Now you could technically cover up, I can get everything up until that point, and you guys, you know how to work this problem. For some reason, you see all your work done, and it stresses you out, but you know how to work this problem. I have to distribute a negative 1 throughout this set of parentheses. What is a negative? Positive 6a. And then a negative 1 times a 7 is a negative 7. So we have 15a plus 6a. What does that give me? 21a. Negative 8 minus 7, negative 15. And now when we see the degree, remember the degree is the highest exponent, and you tell me, but I don't see an exponent there. Just because we don't see one there doesn't mean there's not one there. Charisse, what is the degree? 1. There is an exponent of a 1 there. And then, of course, how many terms does this thing have? 2 terms, and what does that make it? A binomial. Okay, is there another question that I can answer? Jacob? All right, number 8 is a good one. We have parentheses minus 2c cubed plus 5c squared minus 6c plus 9 minus c cubed minus c plus 2c squared minus 3. All right, my question for the first set of parentheses, does anything change in the first set? No, so I'm going to bring it down. C to the 4th minus 2c cubed plus 5c squared minus 6c plus 9. And then how does the second one change? change the signs, or some of you look at that and say, this minus means change all of the signs in the parentheses afterwards. That's fine. Some of you look at that and say, let's distribute a negative 1. That's fine. You're going to get the same answer. Negative 1 times c cubed is negative c cubed. What is a negative 1 times a negative c? Positive c, good. Negative 1 times 2, negative 2c squared, and a negative 1 times a negative 3 is a positive 3. At this step, what do I do? Combine like terms. Is there anything like c to the 4th? Nope, so I bring it down, and I'm going to mark it out. Then I'm going to go with my c cubes. I have negative 2c cubed, and what else? All right, negative c cubed. What number is here even though I don't see it? A 1. So please use your calculator. Yes, do it in your head, but check just to make sure you're right. Negative 2 minus 1 is, what is it? Negative 3c cubed. Lauren? Sure, absolutely. Yes. All right, and then I have 5c squared. What's like 5c squared? Negative 2c squared. What is 5 minus 2? Positive 3c squared. Then I have negative 6c plus 1c. Jacob, what do I get? Negative 5c. Mark it out. Cameron, what's left? 9 plus 3, and what is that? Plus 12. So the degree is what? What is 4? And how many terms does it have? It doesn't have 4 terms. It has 5 terms. What's it called? Polynomial. Anything on the back? I've already done number 11 on the other board. Any questions about 9 or 10? All right. Number 9. It says to find the perimeter. And what does perimeter mean we do? Add all the sides. So I'm going to start with 9a minus 1, and I'm going to add it to 5a minus 8. And I'm going to add that to 9a squared. All right, so Jacob, you tell me what to do. Starting with which one? Well, which one's the highest exponent? All right, is there anything like 9a squared? So I bring it down and mark it out. All right, what's next, Jacob? 9a plus 5a plus 7a. 9 plus 5 plus 7 is 14 plus 7. What is that? 21a. And then negative 1 minus 8 plus 2 would be a minus 7. The degree would be a 2. And what type of polynomial is it? It's a trinomial.